Good morning, honorable board members, my dear teachers, mentors, educators, and my lovely team. I am Varshini, a student member of NASA HERC core team NAPSAT, going to present the PPT on our entire project. So before jumping into the core of the day, here's a brief about the challenge. The NASA Human Exploration Rover Challenge is an initiative to engage high school and college students in an authentic engineering experience. This challenge was earlier known as the NASA's Great Moon Buggy Race, which managed to engage around 10,000 students and demonstrated that these budding scientists and engineers were also capable of complex work. This event, the HERC, is a complex follow up to the successful Moon Buggy Race, which continued for about 20 years. So, here's a brief introduction of the members included in our team. Firstly, Rishikesh Amit Nayak. Rishikesh is a 17 years old, passionate innovator who is skilled in the field of robotics. Currently, he is working on the design of the braking system and drivetrain along with fundraising and social media management. Anjashnu Patnaik. Anjashnu is an expert in the field of mechanics and computer science as well as an avid quizzer. Currently, he is preparing the agenda for all the meetings along with designing of the steering system and the drivetrain. Shreyansh Vikash Mishra. Shreyansh is also an amazing innovator who is skilled in the field of mechanics and has a passion for coding. Currently, he is designing the gearbox and wheels along with preparing the presentations for the meetings. Ankan Mandal. Ankan is an automobile enthusiast who bears a lot of knowledge about vehicle dynamics. He is also skilled in the field of mechanics. Currently, he is preparing the agenda for all the meetings along with designing the steering system, suspension, and the drivetrain. Nitesh Patnaik. Nitesh is skilled in the field of CAD and computer science. He's also really good at designing. Currently, he's designing the whole rover and the seats along with the complete 3D and 2D model of the rover. Datidanda Panipatra. Datidanda is skilled in the field of mechanics and vehicle dynamics. He is an expert in welding and fitting. Currently, he is designing the framework of the rover along with researching about the material suitable for the rover. Kailash Chandra Barak. Kailash is also an expert in welding and fitting. He too is knowledgeable on vehicle dynamics and mechanics. Currently, he is designing the framework of the rover along with researching about the materials suitable for the rover. Tanvi Malik. Tanvi is an innovator who is experienced in the field of robotics. She is an orator as well. Currently, she is preparing the presentations for the official and unofficial meets, along with communication with the other teams. Lastly, it's me, Kanudi Varshini. I'm an orator who has a passion for science and astronomy. I'm also knowledgeable in the field of vehicle dynamics along with some components like gear and wheels. Currently, I'm preparing the daily MOM and the Gantt chart along with social media posting. So here's a list about the team's requirements along with the NASA's requirements. Starting with our requirements, weight 127 pounds, folds 3, brakes 4, assembly time to be determined, turning radius 13 feet, fender 169 square inches, seat belt airplane type based seat belt. NASA's requirements, designing a vehicle which can traverse hill of 5 feet and can handle pathways up to 30-degree inclination in their path of travel. Turning radius 15 feet or less. Ground clearance 15 inches or less. Wheels designed and manufactured ones. Volume 5 into 5 into 5 feet. Fender 120 square inches. Seat belts and must be human powered. So here's the picture of the initial design of our rover, along with the overall weight, ground clearance, and the turning radius as discussed earlier. This is the main framework and the locking mechanism of our model. Our frame will be triangular. Mild carbon steel will be the material that we will be using for the frame. This is the picture of the locking mechanism. So here's a thoughtful picture of the initial design which has been converted into 3D CAD design. Front and back suspensions. The suspension system consists of 4 control rods and a shock absorber. The control rods are allowed to move freely in one axis only and is controlled by the stiffness of the shock absorber. A picture of the suspension system has been displayed in the PPT. Steering. The steering is just a group of levers which turns the wheels in particular direction. As described in the picture, the letters T denote tires, L the levers, O the joints that are to be fitted into the rover. Our turning radius will be 13 feet. A calculative measurative picture has been displayed here. So here's a beautiful picture of our drivetrain denoting the important components that it will be including. The wheels. Our wheel diameter is 1.5 foot with the wheel width of 4 inches. A design of the wheels has been shown here. 6061 T6 aluminum will be used for the making of the hubs of the rover. Here's the picture of the seating design of our rover to increase the efficiency. And here comes the safety belts. As everyone knows, safety first, everything next. So for the safety, we will be using the in-flight seat belts. Braking system. For the braking system, we are using a combination of disc brakes for the front and horseshoe brakes for the rear for the complete efficiency. So as very well known, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So here's the schedule of the entire tasks that our team will be following throughout the year and completing this mission. So pointing out the important tasks, deep research, which will be taking approximately 4 days for the complete analysis and research about the vehicle dynamics. Designing, which will be really requiring 15 days, including the decision making on the dimensions, calculation, rough sketches, and the days needed is 30 for the design and dimensions of the frame and for the choosing of the materials that should be used for the frame. Suspension will be requiring 30 days for the materials that are to be used for the suspension along with the assembly and FEA of the suspension. The drivetrain will be requiring nearly 22 days for the figuring out the way to cover the chain along with the assembly and the finite analysis of the FEA of the axle. Design review submission due. Steering. Steering will be requiring nearly 8 days for the materials, assembling and finalizing the design. Wheels. The wheels will be requiring nearly 43 days for the finalizing of the design and fabrication. Seats and safety. They will be requiring nearly 22 days for the designing of the seats, fabrication, and the storage system. Tools. Nearly 10 days for making of the different tools required for the excursion. Testing. Testing will be requiring nearly 15 days for the testing through simulations, real-life testing, and fabrication. Troubleshooting. It will be nearly requiring 10 days for fixing the parts that doesn't seem to work well. And finally, the completion of the rover, shipping, and everything else. So here's a brief of the timeline that I will be reading out. Deep research. Researching about the structural dynamics, previous analysis, and the vehicle dynamics. Dimensions and design. Fixing the dimensions and designing different parts of the rover separately and then assembling them using CAD. Materials. Deciding the materials to be used in the rover. Calculations. Going through structural analysis again and doing mathematical calculations. Construction. Construction of all the parts of the rover. Assembly. Assembling and testing the rover over a simulated terrain. Troubleshooting. Fixing all the parts of the rover that don't seem to work properly. Deassembling the rover, packing and shipping of the rover. NASA HERC. Finally, we have to assemble our rovers, get on the course and perform our best. So here's a view about our regalia, a front and back view of the picture, and our t-shirt has been shown in both the pictures. Lastly, a very big thank you to all our educators. Thank you for always helping us out, solving all our problems and giving valuable suggestions. We will be looking forward to learn something new from you every day. A big thank you to all our advisors. Your advisors have really helped us along the way. We hope you will continue to advise us and rectify our mistakes. We are going to try our best to produce the best rover possible and make all this hard work and dedication pay off. Once again, thank you.
Please,
It
sir.
was excellent, excellent one, very well prepared, very well documented. I only wish all of you grand success and full dedication is required, you boys and girls. I can see with the background of the participants given in the presentation, the people can really do wonders with your kind of exposure and experience you have and the interest and intent you all people have. So with the mentor Anil, you all people I'm 200% sure will succeed in your mission. Wish you all the best. Great presentation. Thanks to the team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Vimal sir. Thank you so much, Vimal sir. It wouldn't have been possible without the efforts of all the educators that are connected to you. I would also like to highlight the efforts of the educators. We have with us Anurag. Anurag, if you can switch on your camera so that we can see you. We have with us Anurag. Yeah, and we also have with us Amit and Miss Vaishali, who have been working day night on this project and making this thing happen. Off to Anurag.
It is a great opportunity for us to be part of such a great team. And it is again even great that we get the opportunity to be part of something that you are part of.
Thank you so much, Anurag, for this valuable words. I request Amit. Amit, if you want to speak a few lines, you can speak.
Sir, nice to see you again. And I want to tell you that these guys are actually very brilliant guys, shortlisted from over 800 plus students. And it's going good that we are educating them. We're also learning some things from them. And also they are learning, they are coordinating with each other. And it's been a great journey.
Hey, first of all, Varshini, wonderful job. I think I must say that excellent work. Very good presentation. I like the intonations. It was like wonderful. You really sound very
Thank you,
confident.
sir.
Well done, really well done.